Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk through how augmented reality understands and augments the world. What are the basic technology behind and logic to help us in our daily life? Let's dive in. So the AR process mainly unfolds in three key steps. First, it's scanning by understanding the environment. And step 2 is recognizing, that is identifying what the device is saying. And the third is enhancement, by adding meaningful digital information to the real world and interacting with it. So step 1. To begin, AR system must create a spatial map of the environment. And they do this using three main tools: SLAM, LiDAR, and RGBD cameras. SLAM is an algorithm that builds a map of the environment and understands spatial dimensions. And LiDAR emits lasers to surrounding to have precise depths of space. SLAM helps with the dimension, and LiDAR helps to understand the depths. And RGBD camera takes pictures to understand the colors and depths of reality in real time. Step 2 is object and space recognition. Once the system understands the environment, it moves to this step that through VPS and object detection, the device can understand where it is and what it is. VPS is a visual positioning system which works like a visual GPS. It matches what the camera sees with a database of known network to point out exact locations. And through this, without much time required, the device can understand what the user is seeing and what's the exact location of it. For object detection, uses deep learning neural network like YOLO or MobileNet to detect and classify objects, recognizing things like people, animals, cars, or even a coffee cup. I'd like to refer a quote before moving to the last step. That is, augmented reality supplements the real world rather than completely replacing it. That being told is that the purpose of this AR is not to replace or redefine the reality, but to reveal the hidden layers of meaning within it, to complement the reality and help users in daily lives. Now, the last step. After understanding the space, the object, and location, it can finally start to augment reality. Within the feature of AR overlay and interaction assistance, AR can turn into an active companion from passive information. Technologies like OCR let AR read real-world text and can have translated overlay on top of it on the same spatial position. And there are many other things that AR overlay can do, such as contextual explanation, real-time tips, etc. Meanwhile, as for the interaction assistance, libraries like MediaPipe enable real-time gesture and facial recognition when user is interacting with others. AR can gain emotional awareness and help user to interact in different locations. In this way, the layer enhances the human experience. So, to summarize, AR system combines scanning, recognition, and enhancement. They first understand the real world with depth and mapping, then recognize the space in its specific objects and location, and then finally augment our experience through overlays and smart interactions. At its heart, AR is about merging digital intelligence with our physical world, not as a replacement, but as a supplement, an assistant, and an enhancer. By understanding our surroundings deeply and interacting with us naturally, AR opens new possibilities for how we live, work, and connect. Those are the reference, and thank you very much for your attention.